Hello financial enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how AI is changing the way we make money. Whether you're a content creator, an aspiring entrepreneur, or a freelancer looking to expand your reach, AI can become your most powerful ally. Stay tuned to find out the true power of AI so you can learn how to make millions online. First off, the AI market is rapidly growing. If you've been using tools like ChatGPT to do your schoolwork and edit videos and photos, you're missing out on ways that it can help you become a millionaire. Matt Higgins, a self-made millionaire and CEO of RSE Ventures, says that you should use them because they could be your next source of income. Gonzalez also said that the market for AI will grow quickly and be worth almost $100 billion, adding $15.8 trillion to the world economy by 2030. That's huge, and this is your chance to take advantage of this growth. Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, struggling to come up with fresh ideas for your blogs, social media, and newsletters? Well, listen up, because I've got some game-changing news for you. AI tools are here to save the day and revolutionize your content creation process. With the power of AI, you can say goodbye to creative blocks and unlock an endless stream of new ideas. Whether you need blog article topics, social media concepts, or catching captions, AI has your back. It can brainstorm ideas, suggest hashtags, and even analyze your existing content to craft captivating social media posts that keep your audience hooked. Don't just take my word for it though. The renowned digital marketing guru Neil Patel has embraced AI for his own content creation journey. At first, he was skeptical, but once he experienced the magic of AI, he couldn't believe the results. AI tools not only generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently, but they also help with grammar checks and ensure that your content is optimized for search engines. According to Patel, AI is a game changer, an invaluable asset for bloggers and content creators like you. It's time to level up your content game and harness the incredible power of AI to captivate your audience and take your content to new heights. But it's not just content creation and blogging that have changed. Freelancers can also harness the power of AI to make money without having to learn a skill from scratch. If you have a passion for writing, graphic design, or editing photos and videos, I've got some exciting news for you. AI is here to supercharge your skills and help you earn more money doing what you love. The tools are already available to assist you in various creative tasks, such as writing business plans or creating stunning digital art. However, it's important to remember that you'll still need to proofread and fact-check the output of AI tools, adding your personal touch to make it sound more human and authentic. Take Kristen Walters, for example. She's utilizing an AI tool called Jasper to enhance her production of digital goods like workbooks, ebooks, and audiobooks. In a recent Medium post, Walters, a former lawyer turned entrepreneur and publisher, shared her experience. She used Jasper's chat option to outline a workbook on money management for freelancers. Within just 30 seconds, Jasper generated an outline for her. Walters then took that outline, made revisions and edits to add her personal touch, formatted it using Canva, and successfully sold the completed workbook online. Now, you might be wondering, how does this translate to earning more money? Well, according to CNBC Make It, some freelancing jobs can pay over $100 an hour. With the assistance of AI tools, you can enhance your productivity, produce high-quality content, and attract lucrative opportunities in the ever-growing digital marketplace. It's not just freelancers, however. If you're a small business owner, then it's time to explore how AI can revolutionize your entrepreneurial journey and boost your business's profitability. According to Gonzalez, founder and CEO of AI View, AI tools have the potential to enhance various aspects of your business, from optimizing inventory management to studying customer behavior and analyzing competitors. AI can be a game changer. By leveraging AI, small businesses can target their marketing and advertising efforts more effectively, leading to new revenue streams. Jacqueline DeStefano Tangora, the CEO and founder of OmniBusiness Intelligent Solutions, has discovered the power of AI firsthand. She relies on ChatGPT to streamline her processes, such as filling out forms for new clients. DeStefano Tangora simply uploads her existing files to ChatGPT and instructs the tool to update the necessary details like the client's name, name and agreed upon terms, and in just 10 minutes, she has a fully customized agreement ready to be shared with a client. Not only that, however, but she also uses ChatGPT to efficiently share meeting schedules with her clients. It's not just efficiency, however. You can even start a business using AI. Jackson Greathouse Fall used GPT to start a business from scratch. With just $100, he sought to maximize his earnings legally and quickly. Following the chatbot's instructions, he launched a business called Green Gadget Guru, offering sustainable products and tips for eco-friendly living. Thanks to tools like ChatGPT and image generator DALL-E, Greathouse Fall claimed that he raised an impressive $1,378.84 in just one day. By utilizing AI, he not only generated revenue, but also built a professional website showing mock products such as green gadgets and sustainable kitchenware. Jackson's experiment gained massive attention, with thousands of likes and millions of impressions on social media. He even shared his journey on podcasts and created a thriving community on Discord. But despite the initial success, Jackson eventually decided to close Green Gadget Guru and focus on building his Discord community. While his business may have taken a different path than anticipated, his venture exemplifies the potential of generative AI in creating unique money-making opportunities. It's not just about using AI to make money. Everyone will want to understand how AI functions and how to optimize it in a future where it dominates. If you like our content so far, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you interesting content like this. Apparently, this is helping the YouTube algorithm to push our content to more viewers. That's why you could always become an AI tutor. This field may not be in high demand yet, but the future holds huge opportunities. Gonzalez highlights the abundance of online learning resources available to gain a deep understanding of AI. By acquiring this knowledge, you can position yourself to become an AI tutor or engage in AI training and pass on your expertise to the next generation. Places like Harvard and the University of California are already paving the way by offering free AI courses. These courses focus on algorithms, data analytics, and other essential skills, giving people the knowledge they need for upcoming projects in the ever-expanding AI industry. Not only that, however, you can even write a complete book using AI. That's what Amar Rishi did when he wanted to create a simple children's book. Rishi, a product design manager from San Francisco Bay Area, used illustrations from Midjourney, a text-to-image AI tool, and extracted story elements from conversations with ChatGPT about a young girl named Alice. Rishi's experiment in creating an AI-generated book within a single weekend shows the potential of AI to accomplish tasks swiftly and efficiently. Alice and Sparkle narrates the story of a young girl who built her own artificial intelligence robot, which gained self-awareness and decision-making capabilities. Since its release, Rishi has sold around 70 copies of the book on Amazon, earning royalties of under $200. He plans to donate additional copies to his local library. It's not just written books, however, but also auditory ones. Get ready to explore the booming world of AI audiobooks. Did you know that the book market is projected to reach a staggering $33.5 billion by 2030, compared to $4.2 billion in 2021? That's why, according to Acumen Research and Consulting, this incredible growth offers an exciting environment for AI-powered solutions. AI tools can assist in the creation of various audio content types through text-to-speech functions. You can write a script for an audiobook using AI prompts and then utilize a text-to-speech creator to generate the audio for a captivating audiobook experience. But that's not all. AI tools are also invaluable in language translation. For instance, the software like Nova AI enables you to translate videos and add subtitles effortlessly. Freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr open doors for you to provide translation services to video creators. Also, text-to-speech tools allow you to transform written content into audio format or convert text into audio for the visually impaired, promoting accessibility for all. With the power of AI, you can unlock new horizons in the world of audio content creation, language translation, and accessibility. So from audiobooks to a rapidly growing AI market, but this is just the beginning. The possibilities with AI are endless. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, an entrepreneur seeking innovative solutions, a language enthusiast, or just someone passionate about accessibility, AI holds the key to unlocking your potential and opening doors to financial success. And do you want to learn more about how to make money online? If you liked our content, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you the more financial updates. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.